Hey students, it's Mr. Rodriguez coming to you from the kitchen area at my house, and this is for the Level 2 English Language Arts video number 1. You can see down here, Level 2. So if you have a Level 2 packet, your anchor chart should look like this. Parents, once again, this is a review for your students, so it should be pretty low-key for you and for them. But they may need a little bit of help. Maybe there's an older brother or sister around who could help a little bit also. But each unit will have an anchor chart depending on how long our schooling is like this. We'll see how many units we get through, but each unit should take us about 2 weeks. We'll have some more info on that coming up later on. I'll be making plenty of videos for us to keep all this stuff super simple. Anyways, our anchor chart, Unit 1, we're looking at who, what, and where. So who tells a person or an animal, what tells an action or names an item, and where tells a location or a place. So who is at the beach? The girl. What is the girl doing? Playing in the sand. And where is the girl? She is at the beach. So creating a sentence is a group of words that tells a complete thought. Sentence, the girl is playing in the sand. Example of not a sentence, playing in the sand, because it doesn't tell us who. Our work for the first day is this pretest. It says Unit 1. It'll say pretest, page 1. So who is in the picture, where is she, and what is she doing? They just have to answer the questions, write legibly. It's very important because that way whenever we pick up the work or the work is delivered or snapped to us via the seesaw, then we know what's going on. So here's another one. Where is he? What is he doing? Who is in the picture? Part 3 of the Unit 1 pretest is to circle the complete sentences, and then write a sentence with the word apple, write a sentence with the word dog, and write a sentence with the word house. So that is the assignment for Monday. Like I said, I'll make another video of this for Tuesday's assignments, which will be these next pages. Let me see if this will work. Okay. After that is the post-test. Don't worry about the post-test. That'll be at the end of the second week. But page 1, here's some questions. Emily was afraid to ride on the orange sailboat on the lake. Answer the questions, circle the complete sentences. And then the page 2, answer the questions. What do you eat for breakfast, and so on and so forth. So anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments on the videos or shoot me a message through Facebook or a text, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and go team. We're going to finish up this stuff like champs. So thank you.